Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, whenever I try to connect my iPhone on my Wi-Fi network, this problem appears in front of me, unable to join the Wi-Fi network. So in today's video, I tell you how you can solve this problem on your iPhone. So let's start the video without any delay. So guys, before starting the video, first make sure you have selected the correct Wi-Fi network and are entering the correct password. Second, make sure you are within in range of router. Now let's start the video. To fix this problem on your iOS device, first go to the Settings application on your iOS device. In the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. In the Wi-Fi page, tap on More Info button next to the network you are using. In this page, select Forget this network and then confirm. Now wait for a few seconds, then rejoin the network by selecting it and entering the password again. So you can see how easily the unable to join Wi-Fi network problem has been solved. That's all for today. Like our video and subscribe to the channel.